Hi friends, it's Becky, and it is time to open up the March 2026 Czech Exclusive bead box from Kraftika. This is one of the two subscriptions that they offer. The first is the Czech Exclusive bead box, where you get a wide variety of different Czech glass beads. Sometimes you'll get some extra things in there too, like maybe some craft things, maybe some extra some components, things like that you can use in your jewelry making, but it is very much a showcase of Czech glass beads. And then they also have the Bohem Style box, which is like a kit box. It has a couple of different kits that you can get. I'll have a link in the description below to where you can find the Kraftika box, and you can subscribe to that if you are interested in it. It does ship from Europe, and it's got pretty reasonable rates for shipping to the US. So let's take a look at this, and then I'm going to sort it into my 28 grid organizer. It's one of my favorite ways to organize boxes with a lot of variety of beads in here, because you do have a lot of variety of beads. And this is a tiny little box, but there's so much goodness packed in here. So let's see what we've got. Okay, so the March box is the Breath of Spring box. We've got a list in here of all the contents, and all of these beads. Looks like we've got several different seed beads. We've got a bunch of the Czech glass beads. Looks like we've got some butterfly charms. Those are adorable. Flowers. Yay! Ooh, that looks like an Easter egg, guys. Let's get this all sorted out. I'm going to get these in order, and then we can start looking at them in detail and putting them away in this box. All right, so we are ready to go, so we can take a look at these beads. Now the first is Amethyst Purple Luster Round Preciosa seed beads. These are 11 seed beads. And it looks like we've got, I'd say that's about a 5-gram bag. Let's get up close so you can get a good look at that color. There we go. That is a really, really pretty purple. And I'm going to go ahead and get these in here in one of these little sections. Alright, one of the reasons I like this type of box is because then I can keep the other sections closed and just tip things out, especially for small beads like this when I'm going to be using them for something. So it's very convenient for that sort of thing. I'm going to close that so it doesn't tip out while if I accidentally bump it or something like that. Alright, next we've got some white metallic Slipperit purple gold, half gold rounds. These are 6mm rounds. And you've got that Slipperit on half of it. So some coppery and gold colors along with the white. That's a lot of interest with that. And then we've got some cream chalk pinch beads. They're 7mm in size. I love pinch beads. They are a really fun bead, and you can do some really cool things with them. Alright, and then we've got some purple pinch beads. Also 7mm in size. These are such a nice, like, muted purple. Like a dark lilac almost. Kind of the perfect purple to go with these seed beads. That is the first little section. Alright. Then we've got some matte gold melon beads. These are 4mm in size. And then we've got some matte gold patina, silver Easter hen bird animal charms. They are 15 by 13 millimeters in size. And I had to look pretty close to figure out that that's what these are. But you can see they're like a stylized hen. They've got a little eye and a little beak, and then all these little flowers around them. They are super cute. They are very folksy. I love that. There are so many charms in here that are like a pair. This is going to be a great box for making earrings with. So I think we should do an earrings blitz with these guys. And then we've got some white round spacer beads. These are 5 millimeter beads. And just some drooks. Great neutral color to go with the golds and whites and all of the purples that we're seeing in this box. And this one, there's quite a few of these beads. And then we've got some crystal yellow, silver patina wash, round melon beads. So it's this really light yellow color with that silver wash. And these ones are 8 millimeter melon beads. All right, then we've got some gold-plated leaf connectors. And they could just be charms and not necessarily connectors, although they might be really great to do maybe as a chandelier connector, since they've got a little space right here, a little space right there, and a little space right there. You could connect things to drop from them. Let's turn that one over so you can see the other side of these leaf charms. And then we've got gold-plated teardrop hammered flat charms. They're 12 by 9 millimeters. That's one side. Let's turn it over. Looks like it is slightly curved. Again, this box will be great for earrings, I think. And more charms. These ones are white enamel and gold rhinestone butterfly charms. Let's turn one of these guys over so you can see the back side. Aren't these sweet? They're super, super sweet. Alright, then we've got white gold flat oval wash carved beads. Okay, so these are some marquee shape oval wash. Or with the gold wash. They are 20 by 11 millimeters in size. And then white blue, okay, blue patina flat wash round flower sunfocal. It's a 14 millimeter bead. It has this really awesome purple wash on it. Hole that goes through the middle. It has a lot of texture. A lot of texture. You might see the texture better in this other color. It is white with a gold patina. It's the same size, same patterning. That flower and then the sunburst around it. That hole. It goes through the middle of it. So you've got both of those colors. Alright, now it's time for some more seed beads. These are crystal blue sapphire, preciosa seed beads. These are also 11-0 seed beads. Let's get this color up next too. here. So far we have 2 colors of 11OC beads with this. The purple and the blue. Alright, and then the next thing we've got are these dark blue Senegal gold marble patina round faceted fire polish 4mm beads. That is a very dark blue. That faceting just really makes them sparkle. In fact, that's almost just a almost purple. Alright, then we've got some opaque, oh wait, no, this is it. White AB half round drooks. These are 4mm beads. With AB on half of it. So those 5mm white rounds that I had, those did not have AB. This one does. Stay upright. I believe in you. Okay. And then gold flat flower carved oval beads. Where are they? I believe that's these, the sunburst ones. They're 12 by 14mm in size. And then we've got some matte gold seed beads. These are 8O seed beads. They are bigger than our 11O seed beads. Alright, and then shine blue, round, faceted fire polish beads. These are 4mm as well. And they have such a nice little luster to them. And we've got some opaque white melon beads. These are 8mm melon beads. The yellow ones were also 8mm. And then we've got some, it says matte gold melon round beads, 4mm, but there was only one 4mm melon beads, and that was already there, so I think they just put that, accidentally listed it twice. The next are these white, blue, gold patina. So you've got the white and blue 8mm melon beads with a gold wash. And then 20 by 9mm white gold wash eyed ship oval. And like I said, it's giving Easter egg to me. That's what it's making me think about on that. All right. And let's get these flowers in here. These are Purple Luster Vesna flower. They're 18mm in size. And we've also got another color. It's the white with the gold patina. For these guys. And there we go. That is our Breath of Spring Kraftika box. Once again, there will be a link in the description if you'd like to follow that to check out, all puns intended, the Czech Exclusive box from Kraftika. I love this. I am going to probably plan out some earrings that we can make with these fun beads that came in here. I think there might be some fun things we could do with earrings that involve some of these seed beads too. So I'll plan those out. I'll come back and we'll have another video later with all of those. Until next time, my friends, happy beading.